Dear family, peace and love. This is what is possible. This is Weymouth Furnace. This is my first time out here this summer, y'all. I just got in my car today and decided to come. And I'm hanging out. I don't even know these folks, but they just all love. And I want to bring the children out here, the Francisville children, the ones that don't go to camp and don't get to do nothing like this. Look at that. Cool. It's cool. And everybody, look at the children down there playing in the water. Look. How am I going to post this? I ain't got Facebook on my phone now. And I refuse to put it on there. I don't know. I'll get it. Say hi, Mommy. Hola. Look, we just chilling out in the chairs, in the water. Look, me too. See? Peace and love. I'm bringing everybody out here. Yes, I am. Soon. Love you.